Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to enable fingerprint in your WhatsApp. Maybe somehow or some cases you want to protect your WhatsApp to always, like whenever you go exit, and automatically WhatsApp will be locked, and without you scanning your fingerprint this WhatsApp not going to open. So how you can do so? It's very easy and simple. Just simply open your WhatsApp and click this upside right corner dot icon, and then you will see there will be option appear here. Simply click on settings and then click on account and then click on privacy, and then scroll down all the way, and then you will find here fingerprint lock. My one right now disables, so it's appear disable. So if you want to enable, simply click that, and then you will see there will be a screen will appear here. Simply just turn it on. So whenever you turn it on, this device will ask you to add your fingerprint, so it will automatically detect your finger. So from now you will see there is a option appear, which is how you like to set up your fingerprint, like or immediately or after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. Like you want to automatically WhatsApp lock with like 1 minute or 30 minutes or immediate. So I'm going to choose one immediately, and then I'm going to go on back. Now whenever I'm going to again open my WhatsApp, I will see this device is asking me fingerprint. So without fingerprint there is nothing going to open, and no one can see what is inside my WhatsApp. So whenever I'm going to click my finger, it's going to open automatically. So this is how you can set up fingerprint in your WhatsApp. But maybe somehow some cases you want to remove your WhatsApp fingerprint protection, you can do so. It's really easy and simple. Same way, just go on dot icon, click on setting, accounts, privacy, scroll all the way down and click here fingerprint lock. Simply off this, and it's going to off. It will give you as normal without lock. So this is how you can set up fingerprint or remove fingerprint from your WhatsApp, protect your WhatsApp. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.